Hi, here we have a nice algebraic equation. Root m plus root n is equals to 10. Root m n is equals to 10. Here we are going to find out the value of m and m. So let's start our solution. In the first step, I will going to name this equation, that is equation 1, and this is equation 2. So now I will going to take equation 1 here first. Root m plus root n is equals to 10. So here I will going to raise square both the side in this step. Now I will going to use the algebraic identity, that is a plus b whole to the power of 2 is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I will going to apply here this algebraic identity, and this is a and this is our b value. So this equation turns to root m whole to the power of 2 plus root n whole to the power of 2 plus 2 root m times root n is equals to this 10 to the power of 2 is turned to 100. Now I will going to use the radical property here, that is root a times root b is equals to root a times b. Here this and this root get cancelled, so here m is remaining plus this square, this root get cancelled, here n is remaining plus 2. Now I will going to write this mn in one root is equals to 100. Now here I will going to plug in the value of root mn that is given in equation 2, so that is 10. So this will turn to m plus n plus 2, and this will then is equals to 100. M plus n plus 2 10 times 20 is equals to 100. Now I will going to take this 20 to the right hand side. M plus n is equals to 100 minus 20. So now this equation turns to m plus n is equals to 80. I will going to name this equation as A. Next, I will going to take equation 2 here, that is root mn is equals to 10. Here, I will going to raise square both the side. So this will, here this and this get cancelled here. Mn is equals to 100. Here now I will going to make a subject as n. N is equals to 100 divisible by m. Now I will going to plug in this n value in our equation A, that is, so here I will going to write this equation m plus 100 over m is equals to 80. Now I will going to take the LCM here, m here m square and here 100 is equals to 80. Now I will going to take this m to the right hand side. So this will turn to m square plus 100 is equals to 80m. Now we're going to take this 80m to the left hand side. So this will turn to m square minus 80m plus 100 is equals to 0. Now this equation we get, that is in the quadratic form. So I will going to use here the quadratic formula, that is m is equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here this is our a value, this is our b, and this is our c value. So I will going to plug in here. Our b value is negative 80 plus minus root negative 80 to the power of 2 minus 4. Our a value is 1 and our c value is 100 over 2 and a value is 1. Now we're going to simplify it further. So this was turned to 80 minus minus plus plus minus. Here minus minus turns to positive, and 80 times give us 6,400 minus 100 times give us 400 over 2. M is equals to 80 plus minus. This will turn to 6,000 over 2. Next, I will going to split this 6,000 in this form. M is equals to 80 plus minus root 4 times 1,500 give us 6,000 over 2. Now this M is equals to 80 plus, now the root of 4 we have 2, and 1,500 I was going to write same as inside the root over 2. Now this 2 is dividing with both the above values. So M is equals to 80 plus minus 2 root 1,500. This over 2 over 2. This will going to be cancelled out with 40. And this get cancelled. So the remaining expression we will get M is equals to 40 plus minus root 1,500. Now I was going to write this 1,500 in this form. M is equals to 40 plus minus root 100 times 15. As I'm going to solve this, this will turn to 40 plus minus the root of 100 we have 10, and root 15 I will going to write same as. So here we get the M value, that is one positive and the one negative. M is equals to 40 plus 10 root 15. M is equals to 40 minus 10 root 15. Now I will going to write equation A here again, that is M plus N is equals to 80. This I will going to solve for N is equals to 80, and this will going to be negative M. Now I will going to plug in here the M expression here, that is the positive one I'm going to solve. 80 minus 40 plus 10 root 15, and is equals to 80 minus 40 minus plus minus 10 root 15. Now we're going to solve this, and is equals to this 80 minus 40 is turned to 40 minus 10 root 15. So this is our N value when our M value is positive. Now I will going to solve this M value when our sign is negative. So I'm going to write the equation A here. M plus N is equals to 80. Now I will going to make a subject of N. So N is equals to 80. This will turn to negative M. Now I will going to write here the M expression, that is this one. M bracket 40 minus 10 root 15. As I'm going to solve this, N is equals to 80 minus 40 minus minus plus 10 root 15. Now here N is equals to 80 minus 40 is equals to 40 plus 10 root 50. So this is our N value when the M value is negative. So the value of M N we find out, that is M N is equals to when the M value is positive, our N value is negative. And when the M value is negative, so our N value is positive. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you like my video, please do hit the like button.